Hi everyone, in front of me is NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to enable call waiting on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the dialer, and it doesn't really matter where you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon and tap on the settings. Here we have to tap on calling accounts and tap on the card you've got currently is inserted. Now let's tap on additional settings, and as you can see, unfortunately I've got some problems with my SIM card, but no worries, I will just show and explain to you what to do. So here you've got the call waiting option, and if you'd like to turn it on, because right now it is not active, all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher. As you can see, I've got again the information that something's wrong with my SIM card. Okay, I know. So as I said, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and since this circle, this ball will be on the right side and the switcher will be blue, it means that for sure it is activated, and it means that from now on during a call your device will notify you about any other incoming call. Obviously you can turn it off in the same way just by tapping on the switcher. So actually this is it. This is how to activate and actually how to find the call waiting in your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.